I'll show you how to do a hidden stitch to repair the hole in this little stuffy. See this right here? And then on the other side, I'm going to reinforce that. I have this needle threaded and I have two, see I have it two thicknesses so it'll be extra sturdy. And then I just brought it down here and tied a knot in the end. Then I'm gonna flip this to this side. So I want the stitch hidden, and I also need to go back a little ways just to reinforce it coming forward. So I'm gonna stick my needle under and bring it out back here. Now, we want this stitch to be hidden, so you take your needle and lift up like this, and you're going to create it'll be sort of like a little crisscross ladder. You just go back and forth and you reach under and come up like that. Then when you pull on it, the stitch is hidden. So let me just go ahead and do several of these where I leave the stitch loose until I get to the point that I'm ready to hide the stitch. See, we're just going to do a crisscross, just come back and forth. That. Now watch, just watch this. Now see how that stitch is nicely hidden, and it's good and sturdy because it's two thicknesses of thread. Now I'm just going to continue on across, and then I'll show you how I tie it off so it doesn't come loose. I've been sewing for years, literally since I was 4. And you just have to have patience and stay at it to get it like you want it. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. See? Those are all hidden. It's a nice smooth seam. Now I'm going to put this back down in there and lift it up. And so what I want to do is kind of tie a knot, but I want that thread to be hidden. So I'm just going to go back onto itself a few times like this. And there'll be enough stitches going back and forth through that fabric that this will hold really well. So then I just take my scissors and it just came off. Now I want to reinforce this other side right here because it won't be too long till that will be popping loose also. So I'm going to tie another knot. You just pinch it in your fingers like this, wrap it around, and roll it, and then pull. And hopefully a knot will tie, and it did not. There. It made a knot. I rolled the threads onto itself and it made a knot. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. See how nice and smooth that looks? And I'm just going to keep doing this on around on each side, crisscrossing. Go in and lift up. All right, I'm almost to the end of this one. So this is how you can repair any kind of stuffy that is getting a hole in it, in the seam. Well, it would work with just a hole in the fabric too if it got punctured with another toy or something. I'm going to go back and forth on this side just like I did on the other several times, and simply sticking the needle back and forth through the fabric is going to create a knot. Okay, there we go. Got it all finished. I'll see you in the next video.